Today's September 4th, 2020. Are you excited?
Are you?
What'd you get today, John?
That is sweet.
It's absolutely ridiculous.
I mean, the poster alone is just...
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Are you excited, Mama?
I'm ecstatic.
Yeah, he's pretty excited, I think. All right, this is the official unboxing video.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow. We got instructions. This is spring action. What
So
I like.
it only comes with 7 rounds. Is that all it shoots? Is 7 rounds? Is that all it holds?
It's got a little... You can get 12 of these. You can get, like,
get 12 of them?
No, you can get one that holds 12.
Oh, I see. But you can you get more magazines?
Yeah, you can. This is sweet. It's by far the coolest rifle that they've ever made.
All right, let me get a picture of you holding that bad boy.